Hello, I'm Dr. Emily Wren, and I'm an orthopedic trauma surgeon with My Michigan Health. I am currently welcoming new patients to Midland and treat a full range of orthopedic conditions. I was drawn to the field of orthopedic surgery because fixing broken bones and seeing the concrete results is amazingly gratifying. There's nothing more rewarding than seeing a patient return to their favorite sport after a hip or knee replacement. As an orthopedic traumatologist, I specialize in managing complex upper and lower extremity trauma. These include periarticular fractures, revisions for non-unions and malunions, as well as pelvis and acetabular fractures. In addition to trauma surgery, I also focus on general orthopedic management of degenerative conditions and total joint replacements. My philosophy of care is built around creating a partnership with my patients to improve their quality of life, alleviate their pain, and return them to their favorite activities. Many times, I meet my patients on one of their worst days, so I strive to treat them how I would like my own family to be treated. I believe that the most important part of care is understanding the emotional and physical impact of a patient's injury. My goal is to guide them towards the most appropriate treatment and help them achieve the best functional outcome.